In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal transferred fail error. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first is going to be your account status. Simply go ahead and log into your account and make sure that your account is not limited, restricted, or under review. If that is not the case, you might also simply verify the receiver's information, check the recipient's email or phone number, and make sure the details are correct and active. If that is not the case, it could also be because of your balance. So make sure that you have enough balance or valid funding source linked. You might also have reached your account's limit, so you can check it at your settings and account limits. If your internet connection is not stable, you could be facing the problem. Try switching to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If you haven't updated your application, simply go ahead and update it. And if you're using a browser, you want to clear cache and cookies. You can also try removing your card or bank account and try adding again. And if nothing works, simply contact paypal.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.